Alright guys, the time has come. I'm here at Proven Power Cycles out in Tampa, one of the best shops in my area. They do a lot of work for a lot of guys. And today, I got my bike back. We got our at2 Yoshimura exhaust. We got that installed. We got the DNA intake. She's been tuned, she's been flashed by Power Cycles. So we're gonna start her up, let her warm up, and give you guys a little taste of how she sounded, man. They did such a beautiful job. Such a beautiful job. Great. I cannot wait to hop on this thing and take you guys along with me. So let's get to it. Got a little wet, but we're still in business, man. This is beautiful. Ride's great, feels amazing. I just want to say thank you guys at Proven Power.